What's going on, you guys? It's your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and I'm coming to you guys with a quick unboxing because it's a windy day out here in Vegas, and I hope that my tripod and phone don't blow over. But I'm using my new what is this? A Galaxy S24, so it has this pen here, so I can stop and start the video and do a whole lot of other things with this nice pen here. But I don't know what you guys are doing to stay cool out there, but you know I gotta have a plan to stay cool when you're going outside this summer. I know it's hot all over the country right now. I gotta have this I have to have this fan with me when I go. It has some extenders to where I can have some additional fans I can plug into the side right here that are adjustable. Also, I like to keep me a cooling towel on deck as well. That's something else that helps me to stay cool, whether I'm just using it just to wipe my face, put around my neck, wrap around my head, put over my head, under my hat. That's just something that helps me to stay cool. So I know that that's probably what this is right here in this unboxing right here that we're doing. But let me know down in the comments, what are you guys doing to stay cool out there? Are you going into the swimming pools? You got your own pool at the crib? So here you go. I ordered this. It says Tough Outfielders cooling towel, and look, it even comes with its own little bag right there. So I'll leave the link for this down in the description below. I'm about to do some yard work out here, so I do need not only my fan, I need this cooling towel right here. So that's pretty cool and neat. So look, it has this little, you know, loop right there, hook you can use to maybe attach it to something, and then the good Velcro right there. Close it up, has a name right on there. Or you can always use this for something else if you don't want to use it for your cooling towel. So, and I don't know if you're familiar with how these work, or if you're not familiar. I just thought the blue was going to look a little different. I thought it was going to match like the blue I got on my shirt here, or, you know, royal blue. But this is the blue I got. This is actually longer than cooling towels that I've had in the past. It's more of a rectangle, so pretty long. So again, it has lots of space, so if you do want to, you know, put it over your shoulders, wrap it around your head. So I know this will be good for situations like that, as well as it's very thin, so even wearing it like under your hat, sometimes I'll just put the cooling towel under my hat and wear it like this, coming down the side. So what you're supposed to do with these are, you're supposed to, you know, wet them, you know, then wring them out a little bit, and then shake them, and then go on your way, and they're supposed to help you to stay cool. So I'm gonna use this today right now while I do some yard work in the front yard, in the backyard. I'm gonna go in the house, wet it, make me a smoothie, and I'm gonna see how it does out here in this heat. I think it's like 105 degrees, you guys. So I'm gonna check it out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know, y'all, what y'all doing to stay cool out here this summer, because it's hot.